But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.
Hey guys, today I just got this cool new cordless vacuum cleaner by Laresar. Let's take a quick look at how it works. So yeah, it's multi-scenario cleaning. It can work on multiple surfaces. It's super slim and super lightweight. Let's take a look inside. Here's a quick start guide on the front panel. Here's what it looks like inside. Your instruction manual. A bunch of accessories. Let's take everything out here. Rod, and these are just all the various parts inside. And there is, there's the rest of the packaging. So yeah, it comes with all of the parts ready for you to assemble. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how this works. So here's the cordless vacuum cleaner. On the device is a LED smart panel with a built-in sensor that lets you track the battery power and the operating status of the vacuum cleaner. When the roller brush is blocked, the LED panel emits a red alarm to remind you. And by pressing the plus and minus button, you can change between the three cleaning modes: Echo, Standard, and Boost. It's super durable with a built-in 400-watt brushless motor and high-powered battery. The Elite 3 can output suction power of up to 33 kPa. And can achieve uninterrupted operations up to 50 minutes in Eco mode and up to 15 minutes in Boost mode. And to fully charge the battery only takes about 4 to 5 hours. The brush roller has a special V-design brush that effectively reduces stuck debris like hair. And it works great on floors and carpets, and it can even get into those tight spaces. The 1.5 liter dust container can be emptied at the touch of a button. And after you are done using it, you can easily store the vacuum and all of its accessories with the included wall mount, keeping everything tidy and organized. It also comes with a 36-month customer service and accessories replacement service. So they are super helpful with any of your concerns. So yeah, I highly recommend you guys try out this cordless vacuum. Check it out today.
But before we start today's video, subscribe to our channel, hit the bell notification icon, and like, share, and comment to this video.